There is nothing quite as heart-stopping as feeling your automatic transmission slip jerk or refuse to shift gears while you are driving. If your check engine light is on and you have scanned the code P0794, your car is telling you there is a hiccup with the intermediate shaft speed sensor circuit. Specifically, it is an intermittent signal, which means the sensor works sometimes, and other times it goes on vacation. This can be incredibly frustrating because the car might drive perfectly for 20 minutes and then suddenly start shifting hard or go into limp mode. To understand this, think of your transmission like a finely tuned orchestra. The transmission control module, or TCM, is the conductor, and it needs to know exactly how fast internal parts are spinning to decide when to shift gears. The intermediate shaft speed sensor provides one of those critical rhythms. When that signal gets choppy or disappears, the computer has to guess or use backup data, which leads to those rough shifts and poor performance. Before you start ripping the transmission apart, start with the basics. Check your transmission fluid. I cannot stress this enough. If the fluid is low or smells burnt, that is likely your problem right there. Dirty fluid can mess with the sensor reading. If the fluid looks good, locate the sensor. It is usually mounted on the transmission housing and might be accessible from under the hood, though you might need to remove the airbox to get to it. Inspect the wiring connector first. Is it clicked in tight? Are the wires frayed? Often the fix is surprisingly simple. Remove the sensor and look at the tip. These are magnetic sensors, so they love to collect metal shavings and sludge from inside the transmission. If the pickup is covered in gunk, it cannot read the speed rings properly. Clean it off thoroughly with some brake cleaner and a rag, then reinstall it. This simple cleaning fixes the issue more often than you might think. If cleaning doesn't work, you will need to use a multimeter to test the sensor's resistance against the manufacturer's specs to see if the sensor itself has failed internally.